Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on a noise issue. We're in the '09 Camry, and right now, as you can hear, I got the fan dial turned to low, and it works. It blows from the vent and everything. But as I increase the volume, the speed of the fan volume. There you go. Can you start hearing that? Rattle that comes from the fan. So what we're going to try to do is somewhere between lower than a half, right here, is where it starts making that vibration. But everything lower than that, you don't even hear it. It's super quiet. So the fan is located underneath it, glove box, obviously. So what we'll do is let's take it apart and see what we find, and if we have to order a new fan, we'll go with that, or if we can do something to make the other one work better, then that's what we'll do. So let's take the fan out and go from there. Okay. All right, to get to the cover, we have several of these little clips. If you use one of these pry tools like I've used before, you can get into these holes. There are supposed to be 4 of them, so let's see how we do. So just get in and pull down to release. There we go. And then if we can get, wait a second. Let me start on the end over here and work my way over there. There we go. There's one. And then I'm going to stick it in here like this and push it to get it loose. There's 2. There's coming out. And then let's get the one over here. That's 3. And then the last one over here. There we go. There we go. I think I got it. There we go. Alright, let's show you what it looks like. This is the latching points. You can see that there are 4 of them. So basically you're pushing this tab in here and then pushing it back like this so that you can release it from the clip. Okay, so just push back. So let's get to the blower. Alright, so hopefully you can see that there are these mounting bolts, and if you I'm going to put a 8mm socket over it and then just work it out. It's kind of hard to do it with the camera in, so I'm going to release. Looks like there's about 3 retaining bolts on this, and then I'm just going to work my way around here, and then I'll bring you back when I pull the motor down. Okay? Alright. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going to just drop it, and let's see what's inside. There we go. Just rotate it down, and alright, I think, okay, look, it was parked under a tree, and I think that's what's making that rattling noise. Okay, the fan itself is fine, so I'm going to clean it out, blow it off, clean off the fans a little bit, and then put it back in, and let's give it a whirl and see what it sounds like. Chances are this was making that noise. Alright guys, I forgot to show you the electrical connection. It was just a push. It was just a push, and it just came right down. But other than that, let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna get the fan on, and it's blowing. Look, we're at the half and no noise. And look, it blows at full fan and no noise. So there's nothing wrong with the fan as we thought. There was debris in there because most likely they parked under a tree long term, and somehow that large, I don't know, nut or whatever from a tree got into the blower. That's happened too. I've seen that before, so there you go. But otherwise, looks like that's a good fix. We're back in business again, and we are ready to rock and roll. So thank you again for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.